Good afternoon guys, it's Sarah from Hills. I am here today to show you around this fantastic 3-bedroom terrace property. As you can see, it comes with a garden to the front, you've got fantastic size, a low maintenance garden to the rear, 2 reception rooms and a lovely modern fitted kitchen. Now the property has been extended, and then to the first floor there are 3 generous sized bedrooms, master which comfortably holds the super king size bed that is currently in place, and then a modern bathroom also. So we've just come through the lounge, off the entrance hall into the second reception room, and as you can see, the kitchen extension there, beautifully presented, lovely and modern. Nothing at all for anybody to come in and do, just maybe add a splash of colour if white is too clinical for yourself. So you've got storage just tucked around the corner here, plenty of space for the washing machine, you've got electric hob and oven with a beautiful sleek finish in the kitchen, and it's fabulous social space to entertain guests. The low maintenance garden to the rear, as you saw, with the artificial lawn, gated access back out into the communal alleyways, and then as we head up to the first floor, you've got your 3 bedrooms and then this lovely modern bathroom suite, shower above the tub, master again to the front of the property, lovely big windows throughout the property, so it just flows with natural light, and the super king size bed in place here along with further furnishings. Loft access ahead of myself on the landing, and then on into the second double. Boiler neatly tucked away in the cupboard, it's been built in place there, and another king size bedroom. Lastly, into the box room, which will easily hold a single bed. As you can see, it's currently set up as a office space for those working from home. Perfect to just come straight in. Now, location wise, we are in a brilliant location, positioned between Cromwell Road and Liverpool Road over in Eccles, where you are an equal distance to the train station. You've got local bus stops just at the bottom of the road, and then as you head into Eccles Centre, just a short walk away, you have the tram station also. Amenity wise, you are surrounded by plenty of local shops. Monton, just a short walk from here, is making it the perfect first time purchase. Somebody even maybe looking to downsize, and also a fantastic family home, whilst you are surrounded by excellent local schools. So if you're interested in coming along and taking a viewing of this lovely property, please give the office a call on 0161 707 4900.